morning everyone, I am H. Jersundel Rivera. Today's video, I will show you how to clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipment. First, we need to wear this apron. Let's gather all these dirty kitchen tools to straight. So we can wash to it easily. Put this washing liquid on wet sponge. Rinse all the dishes thoroughly. Place the dishes in the dish dryer to dry. I will wipe this of its clean cloth. I will place it to this cabinet to keep clean. So it ends now. I hope you get an idea how to clean and sanitize utensils. Thank you for watching.